Hey everybody, still waiting for the NBN guy to come and connect up for this modem. If you want to check out the video about the modem, then follow the link. But in this video, we're going to be doing the Telstra TV, which all comes as a part of the package that we've got with Telstra in relation to connecting of the new NBN network. So we've got the modem, we've got the Telstra TV. I think it should be very straightforward. Let's check out the box to start with. Got various connections here. What's in the box? We've got a Telstra TV, a little bit like an Apple TV, I think, and then a remote control, HDMI cable, and power adapter. What we need is a TV, which we've got, and Telstra Home Broadband, which is still coming, and of course TV antenna, which is already connected. Here's the way. Start watching in 3 easy steps. Plug it in, power it up, and set up. It's free. There you go. That's it. That's what's in the box. Various info on the actual unit. Supports standard, high and ultra high definition TVs, and for the first time experience 4K HDR on compatible TVs. I don't know if ours will do. I think our Sony will only do 1080p. That's all we need. So let's open it up and check out what's in the box. There you go. It all begins here. Turn over to get started. Pretty much what we read on the box. Plug it in, power it up, set it up, and various things about also that were in the box, what's in the box and what you need. So that's all that. There it is. I might grab my Apple TV and I can show you the difference in size. I haven't got the latest Apple TV, but there's the unit itself. Got various connections there for antenna. Okay, we can go to antenna. Well, the antenna will be in the TV, I believe. We'll have to wait and see about that. Ethernet, HDMI power, Telstra TV. That's that. And then what else is in the box is here. Important product information. Looks like a little bit of reading to go through there. Just basic stuff, and there's all the connections. HDMI cable, remote control, and power. So I am going to plug that all in. I possibly need a couple of batteries for here, and you can see on the remote we've got Netflix and Foxtel, so that's going to be interesting to see that. We've got a Foxtel deal with the package that came with our connection. The Foxtel part of it is absolutely free, I don't think, because it's all part of the deal. But anyway, they make out that it's free. And they even supply a couple of good quality batteries, Duracells. So there you go. That is it. I'm going to have fun setting them up. But that is what's in the Telstra TV 2 box. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out what was in the Telstra Smart Modem video, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.